you go up at Jamaica and you're born at Jamaica, you must know 5 people with them name. If you don't know 5 people in your life with them name, that means you're not from around here, man. Welcome to Jamaica. Eat some fried fish and drink some coconut and wash off your heart. Alright, number 5 on the list. Guess what? Pinky. Everybody must know somebody with name Pinky. You pick the guy school and you come on back with name. Mother never name her Pinky. But everybody in that community know her as Pinky from she born till she dead. Yeah. Alright, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is Biggs, Fatta or Fatty. If you're not from around here, you don't know nobody with that name. Everybody must know somebody with the name Fatty. We name Jamaican. Yes, you grew up here, so you must know somebody that name it. Check your passport. Number 3 on the list. Yes. Number 3 is Brown Man. Hey, everybody, every Jamaican knows somebody named Brown Man. You're not from around here. If you don't know nobody with that name, man. Number 2 on the list. Everybody must know one Shark Man, or Shorty, or a Shorty pub stick. Check it again. Yes, man. And number 1 on the list. No, if you don't know nobody with that name, that means that you're really not from around here. It's a fake passport you have, and a fake birth certificate. And number 1 is Blacks. Tell me the truth. You must know somebody named Blacks if you're born at Jamaica, you grew up at Jamaica. People, what do you think? Tell the truth. A true, don't.